Guten Tag. Welcome back to German class. Today we're tackling one of the most challenging topics in German, but I promise to make it clear. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand German articles, der, die, das, and how to know which one to use. You'll learn the gender patterns that make this easier than you think. Why are articles so important? Because every German noun has a gender, masculine, feminine, or neuter. Unlike Spanish and French, which have two genders, German has three, and you must use the right article. But here's the good news. There are clear patterns that help you guess correctly most of the time. Now, I know German gender seems impossible at first. 3 genders? How do you remember them all? Don't worry. I'm going to show you the patterns German children learn. By the end, you'll be able to look at a German word and make an educated guess about its gender. Ready? Los geht's! Let's go! Alright, let's start with understanding the 3 German articles. German has 3 definite articles. Der for masculine, die for feminine, das for neuter. The man, masculine. Der Mann. Der Mann. The woman, feminine. Die Frau. Die Frau. The child, neuter. Das Kind. Das Kind. German also has 3 indefinite articles. Ein for masculine, eine for feminine, ein for neuter. A man. Ein Mann. Ein Mann. A woman. Eine Frau. Eine Frau. A child. Ein Kind. Ein Kind. Notice masculine and neuter use the same indefinite article, ein. Only feminine is different, eine. For plurals, all genders use die. The men. Die Männer. Die Männer. The women. Die Frauen. Die Frauen. The children. Die Kinder. Die Kinder. All use die in plural. This makes plurals easier. Now the big question. How do you know which gender? Let me show you the patterns. Pattern 1. Male people and animals are masculine. Obvious, right? The father. Der Vater. Der Vater. The brother. Der Bruder. Der Bruder. The cat, male. Der Kater. Der Kater. Pattern 2. Days, months, and seasons are masculine. Monday. Der Montag. Der Montag. January. Der Januar. Der Januar. Summer. Der Sommer. Der Sommer. Pattern 3. Words ending in er are often masculine. The teacher. Der Lehrer. Der Lehrer. The baker. Der Bäcker. Der Bäcker. Pattern 4. Words ending in ismus are masculine. Tourism. Der Tourismus. Der Tourismus. Optimism. Der Optimismus. Der Optimismus. Now, feminine patterns. Pattern 1. Female people and animals are feminine. The mother. Die Mutter. Die Mutter. The sister. Die Schwester. Die Schwester. Pattern 2. Words ending in e are often feminine. This is huge. The lamp. Die Lampe. Die Lampe. The rose. Die Rose, die Rose. The street, die Straße, die Straße. Pattern 3. Words ending in heit or kite are always feminine. Freedom, die Freiheit, die Freiheit. Difficulty, die Schwierigkeit, die Schwierigkeit. Pattern 4. Words ending in -en are feminine. The station, die Station, die Station. Information, die Information, die Information. Pattern 5. Words ending in are feminine, often female professions. The female teacher, die Lehrerin, die Lehrerin. Now, neuter patterns. These are special. Pattern 1. Young people and baby animals are neuter. The child, das Kind, das Kind. The baby, das Baby, das Baby. The girl, das Mädchen, das Mädchen. Yes, girl is neuter in German. Strange, but true. Pattern 2. Words ending in chen or lein are neuter. Diminutives. The little house, das Häuschen, das Häuschen. Pattern 3. Infinitives used as nouns are neuter. The eating, eating as a noun. Das Essen, das Essen. The swimming, das Schwimmen, das Schwimmen. Pattern 4. Many words ending in are neuter. The museum, das Museum, das Museum. The center, das Zentrum, das Zentrum. Common mistake alert. Students forget that Mädchen is neuter. Even though it means girl, it's das Mädchen. This confuses everyone. Okay, practice time. Let's test your knowledge. What's the article for Freiheit? Ends in heit. Pause. Answer. Die Freiheit. Heit is feminine. What about Montag? It's a day of the week. Try it. Answer. Der Montag. Days are masculine. What about Mädchen? This is tricky. Answer. Das Mädchen. Ends in chen, neuter. Let's practice with ein and eine. A man. Ein Mann. Ein Mann. A woman. Eine Frau. Eine Frau. A child. Ein Kind. Ein Kind. Now complete sentences. The teacher is here. Masculine teacher. Der Lehrer ist hier. Der Lehrer ist hier. The lamp is beautiful. Die Lampe ist schön. Die Lampe ist schön. The museum is big. Das Museum ist groß. Das Museum ist groß. Pro tip: when learning new nouns, always learn them with their article. Don't just learn Mann, learn der Mann. This way the gender becomes automatic. All right, let's recap everything. German has 3 genders with 3 articles. Der for masculine, die for feminine, das for neuter. For indefinite, ein, eine, ein. In plural, all genders use die. Masculine patterns: male beings, days, months, seasons, words ending in er and ismus. Feminine patterns: female beings, words ending in height, kite, tyon, in. Neuter patterns, young beings, words ending in chen, lein, and infinitives as nouns. Remember, Mädchen is neuter even though it means girl. Always learn nouns with their article. Look at what you know now. You can determine the gender of most German nouns using these patterns. You're not guessing randomly anymore, you're using rules. This is huge progress in German. Your homework: find 20 German nouns and identify their gender using the patterns we learned. Write them with their article. Der Vater, die Lampe, das Kind. Practice saying them out loud. Comment 5 of them below. I'll check your work. Next class, we're learning German accusative case, how articles change. Important grammar. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Excellent work. Sehr gut. Bis bald. See you soon.